Hello dear students, this is lecture on marketing. Students, in this lecture we are going to study about importance of marketing. Before starting up with the topic, let us first understand what do you mean by marketing. Students, we all get confused between marketing and advertising. So let me clear it first. What is the difference between marketing and advertising? When I am talking about marketing, marketing is a process in which you try to identify what your customer needs and then you make best possible efforts to meet the demand of your customers, to meet your customers needs. That is marketing. Then what is advertising? Advertising is where you try to promote a company, you try to promote the product and services which a company is offering through various paid channels. Okay, so in short, if I want to tell about advertising and marketing, advertising becomes a basic component or it becomes one of the component in marketing. So marketing is a huge process in which advertising is one part. So I hope you must have understood what is marketing. Now let us understand about marketing mix. Now what is marketing mix? Marketing mix is using various tools to promote your product. Now, the tools which you are using are also called as 4Ps. And those 4Ps are product, price, promotion, and place. Now, let us talk about product. Students, when you are trying to market about the product in which you are dealing, first you have to see that the product which you are going to market should be very much ready to use. So it should be very much ready for selling. The second P is price. Now when you are going to decide the price of a product, that should be reasonable. The price which you are going to decide should be reasonable. Reasonable in the sense which the common people can afford it. It should be in a level which your competitor is offering. The third P is promotion. Now, how you are going to promote your product? So, you may promote your product through distributing brochures, or here comes the role of advertising. You may advertise the product in which you are dealing, or you may transfer the information through your friends or relatives to the other people. And the fourth P is place. Now, here place plays an important role as it describes where you are going to sell your product, where you are going to distribute it. So, here there are 4 P's which are involved in marketing mix, which are tools for marketing mix. And the 4 P's are product, price, promotion, and place. Now, let us see what Philip Kotler has said about marketing. He has defined marketing as it is a social and managerial process by which individuals and groups obtain what they want and need through creating, offering, and exchanging products of value with others. Now, see students, if you focus on this definition, if you try to understand it, here it is very much clearly mentioned that marketing is not only a managerial process, but it is also a social process. Since it is a social process, here individual and group of people, both a single person and group of people, they try to obtain what they want, what they need, And how they are going to try to obtain it? By creating or offering or exchanging products. When you exchange product, definitely you are going to exchange it for a price. So this is how Philip Kotler has defined marketing. Now coming to our topic, importance of marketing. Students, marketing has a great importance in various segments. So for your syllabus, you have importance of marketing to the society, how marketing is very much important to the firm, and how marketing is going to help to the consumers. So first let us talk about importance of marketing to the society. The first thing when I talk about importance of marketing to the society is it helps to increase the standard of living of the people in the society. How? The question is how? See, when you are talking about marketing, what you have to do is you will have to market a product, and the product which you are going to market should be of good quality. Not only of good quality, but it should be of reasonable price as well. When you try to sell such products, good quality products as at a reasonable price, even the poorer section of the society will be able to purchase that particular product. And if the poorer section, if the weak section of the society are able to purchase the good quality product, definitely there will be increase in the standard of living of that particular segment of people as well. So this is how marketing is going to help in increasing the standard of living. The second point is it provides employment. Now when I'm talking about marketing, marketing caters or it covers all the functions of organization. And what are the functions of organization? Functions include buying, selling, financing, warehousing, transporting the goods, risk bearing. So for all these functions, what you require is human resource. And for fulfilling these functions, you will have to appoint human resource. When you are requiring human resource, when you are going to appoint human resource, that means you are creating job opportunity in the society where you are going to market your product. Creating job opportunity means providing employment. So in this way, marketing helps to provide employment as well. Then it also helps in decreasing the distribution cost. See students, marketing activities, it helps to provide cheap goods and services to the society as we have seen in the first point. So effective utilization of all the channels of distribution will help in reducing the cost price of the product, right? So reduction of cost will help to attract more customers for your particular product, and you will be able to arrange your product on time. So here you are trying to generate more customers, potential customers are going to increase. So your production cost will decrease, even your distribution cost is going to decrease. The next point is consumer awareness. Marketing means informing and educating your consumers. As we have seen in the definition and in the meaning, what we have seen, marketing involves identifying the needs of your consumers. So first you will try to identify what your consumer wants, and then you will try to fulfill those needs. You will try to manage those needs of your consumers. So by marketing, you will help your consumers to know about the new product and services which are available in the market. Not only this, but you will also try to make them understand what is the usefulness of that particular product. So when you are making them aware, it creates consumer awareness. Next point is it also helps in increasing the national income. Students, when I talk about national income, every economy, be it India or any country of the world, the economy of each and every country revolves around three things, that is the marketing, production, and finance. So, if the scientifically organized marketing activities is proper, it will be very much helpful in the economic development of the country as well. If you are marketing your product and services effectively, it will result in increase in industrialization. When there is increase in industrialization, definitely more people are going to get job. So employment increases, standard of living increases, and this indirectly makes your economy stronger and stable. So this is how marketing helps in increasing the national income as well. And the last point is managing consumer expectation. As we have already understood, what is marketing? Marketing is identifying the needs of consumers. So it helps the business houses to develop the product in such a way that it will try to fulfill the needs of the customers. It will try to fulfill the customer's expectation. When it is trying to fulfill the customer's expectation, it will definitely try to improve the quality, right? And government regulations also make the producers, make the business houses to have good quality product, to supply good quality products. So in this way, marketing helps and it is very much important to the society. In next lecture, we will be talking about importance of marketing to the firm and to the consumers. So students, I hope you must have understood the importance of marketing to the society, what is marketing all about, and the marketing mix. Thank you very much.